Hey guys, it's Zach from Big Bang Crypto, here with another video on crypto and some altcoins that I want to discuss with you. Oh, sorry. 1 second. Sorry, I had the stream on. Okay, I'm back with you guys. So yeah, I want to discuss some altcoins with you that we have discussed in the Discord group. Last video was on BitMEX. We discussed some basics on BitMEX trading. Because I think BitMEX is one of the biggest opportunities to get more out of your Bitcoins. So yeah, we've discussed some BitMEX trading and we'll definitely get back to BitMEX trading. Also, we have a lot of discussion on BitMEX trading in our Discord community. One of the things that I've discussed with you guys is, for example, how you can see whether the market sentiment is bullish or bearish, looking at the futures contracts for Bitcoin. Okay, so we've seen, and I've already messaged you in the Discord that the difference in price was as low as $50 between the December 27th contract and the perpetuals, and this would become bigger when we would go up again. I've told you guys, and the difference has gone up to $370. So this made up for a great hedge trade. You could short one Bitcoin at the December contract, long one Bitcoin at the December 27th contract. For these, as we discussed, you pay no fees, and you could long short a contract on the perpetuals. This would pay you the 8-hour funding fees, and this way you would gain $370 without any risk. So that's a way to take a hedge trade when you know that we will go back up. It's a reasonably safe trade, and if you've been doing BitMEX for a while, you probably know that mostly the December or the futures contracts go up from the market price, because basically we have an upcoming halving. This was a safe bet for me. Okay, so yeah, join our Discord community to see what we are trading and what we are doing. The following coins are also given to me by the Discord community, so there's a lot of valuable information to gain from this Discord, and we hope you guys all can join us. Okay, so let's continue with the video. I wanted to discuss two altcoins that you can get on IDEX. So IDEX is a decentralized exchange for Ethereum, based on Ethereum on the ERC20 platform. So this is something important in my opinion, because decentralization is something that we want in crypto and stand for in crypto. So getting yourself familiarized with decentralized exchanges is something that you should be looking into. So I hope this video will help you out. First thing that I find very easy to do for connecting to the decentralized exchange, because when you want to trade on IDEX, you need Ethereum, and you need an Ethereum private key to create your account with, because your Ethereum private key will be your wallet that you use at the decentralized exchange. So what that means is that with a normal exchange, you basically deposit to them. They are responsible for your funds. If they lose it, you're basically fucked. On a decentralized exchange, you still kind of own your private keys, and that's all ideal behind a decentralized exchange. You'll be still your own, owning your own collateral and your funds, and controlling them. So that's something that I'm looking forward to progress in crypto and to mature a little bit. So what I did is create an Exodus wallet. If you press Ctrl-Shift D, you will get into the developer mode. So Ctrl-Shift and the letter D. If you then click on developer, you can get your assets private keys. Oh, sorry. Okay, you go to the coin that you want, so that would be Ethereum, and then you can view private keys. Okay, so when you create an account on IDEX, it will ask you for your Ethereum private key. I have explained to you how you can get to your Ethereum private key. Then you can deposit your coins, your Ethereum, to your Exodus wallet, and they will appear on your balance sheet let's go to the balance sheet, because there is one more thing that you need to do in order to be able to trade. Okay, you have to deposit the coins into IDEX. Okay, so it says deposit Ether to IDEX. It's a little bit strange because it basically your ETH that you're depositing to ETH, but you're basically depositing to a smart contract with which is the exchange itself. Okay, we see that I bought some Cardano. It's a little amount, but I'm trying to position myself in one or two of the altcoins just in anticipation of a retrace. So that's just that. Okay, so you kind of see which coins we're going to discuss today, but let's get into the coins, because I've discussed with you how you can make use of the decentralized exchange. The first coin is Sentinel. Okay, this coin is we've discussed in the Discord. It's an amazing opportunity. It's an amazing coin, and what we can see right away on CoinMarketCap.com is that the market cap, so the total value of this project, is currently 7.8 million. This is not high at all. It's not in the first list of CoinMarketCap. It's a really low cap. This is, of course, a little bit dangerous, so you have to do some research, and I've done my research on the projects that I'm going to discuss with you. What I like about this right away is that the total supply equals the circulating supply. That means that all the tokens are circulating and nothing is being hidden from us, so that's good. So let's get into the token itself. Why do I like it so much? Basically, Sentinel is providing a decentralized VPN. And if you guys are familiar with, for example, regular VPN services, you know what they're used for. A lot of traders are forbidden to trade on platforms like BitMEX, and what they do is use a VPN to hide their IP address and geolocation. Therefore, they can still trade on platforms that normally wouldn't allow them. This brings certain dangers, and most of these providers are centralized, as in they have their servers in one central location. And a decentralized VPN would definitely solve this problem. It's based on the blockchain, and the best thing about this project is that they have a lot more things going for them. Okay, it still hasn't done the marketing that they should have done, or shouldn't, because now we get to invest for it in it cheap. But they have a nice roadmap. They have a lot of things that they're trying to achieve. The idea is just amazing, and of course, do your own research, just like I did. But I'm pretty sure that you guys will all like it. They have a testnet, alpha, I think, running, so it's not just a promise, which a lot of these tokens are. Cardano, for example, that I just bought, is still just a promise. This project has already a product, and it's solving a real life issue, which is, in my opinion, a lot of value that you add. So for 7.8 million market cap, I think this is a very good investment for you guys. Okay, so this was what we discussed. Is your favorite crypto exchange blocking users from your country? No fear, Sentinel is here. So it definitely solves some people's problems, and that's lovely. They discuss with you why decentralized VPNs are useful, and I will link all these documentations that I found in the Discord. So I hope you guys let me know when you have some questions. Okay, so let's go to the second project. It's Grid Plus, and Grid Plus is basically a coin that I was not sure at the beginning. So let's look at the coin market cap and the difference between Sentinel and Grid. Okay, so we look for Grid, and first of all, we see that the market cap is somewhat lower. It went up a little bit, so that's nice. Okay. What we see is that not everything is circulating yet. So that's always for me okay, then I have to go find out how they're going to distribute the rest of the tokens, which is something I'm interested to know. But what shocked me a little bit, and what got me off at first, was that they are trying to get your private keys, and I don't like that whole idea. I think we are in crypto to take control of our own value and our own money, and giving someone your private keys makes me think of the current banking systems that we have. I don't think that we are in crypto to have platforms like that. There is no room for them. But when I scroll down, I saw something very nice. Shop taxes electricity plans for your home. So basically, that makes them a pretty legit project, because if you can buy electricity at your home, so it's for retail at the wholesale rate, I think you're doing something well. You have good contacts, and you're really going to push this project as far as you can. And therefore, at a market cap of 3.9 million, so a little bit less than 4 million, I think this is a great investment opportunity. So I went and tried to find if that's really the case, if they're really trying to sell, and I found a Medium article that's basically proven the fact that they're really doing this and it's working out for them. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about these projects, and I already invested into them. My strategy will be that I invest 2% of my trading capital into every of the projects that I will be discussing in this video and the next video with you guys, and I will sell at the double of my entry. So when the price doubles, I will sell half of my tokens. The other half I will keep because I like these projects. I think they should be able to do a 10x at least from the current price. Normally, I don't invest in altcoins. I only trade them because I think they eventually always go down. So only when I find a really undervalued project, I tend to invest something into it, and not a lot. We just hope for a moonshot. These projects can 10x, 100x, you name it. So you don't have to invest a lot to make a lot here. So yeah. I will be back with another video. The next exchange that we will discuss is KuCoin. The coins that I will be showing you guys are on there. And I hope you guys like the video, and on to the next one. See you guys.